mention the types of agriculture methods. Next, mention the factors which affect cropping pattern, or mention the factors which affect the land use. So children, both the answers are same, but the way of asking question is different. Done. Next, what are the types of crops, seasons of India? Next, horticulture plays a significant role in Indian agriculture. Justify. Next, India has a potential of generating income. How? Next, how has agriculture helped in the development of secondary and tertiary sectors? Already I have said you all, this chapter belongs to 3 or 4 mark carrying question. So better you have to practice more number of points. Note, what is land use? Land use is nothing but it is the distribution of land for different uses. Follow land, land which is not used for cultivation, agriculture, tilling of soil for raising food crops and raw materials needed by human beings. Next, food crops, crops which are grown to provide food, example rice, wheat, jowar. Commercial crops, the crops which are grown for sale purpose, example sugarcane, tobacco and cotton. Next, horticulture. What do you mean by horticulture? The intensive cultivation of fruit, vegetables, flower, medicinal and aromatic plants, that is called as horticulture. Next, farming. So we have different types of farming. In that, the first type of farming is subsistence farming. It is nothing but the production of crops is consumed almost by the farmer and his family, leaving a small portion for sale. Here he classifies the subsistence farming into 2 types, that is shifting subsistence farming and sedentary subsistence farming. Next, shifting subsistence farming and sedentary subsistence farming is being defined as it is a type of agriculture in which a patch of forest is cleared and burnt to be cultivated for a few years until the fertility of the soil is reduced. In sedentary, cultivation of land at a fixed location instead of shifting from one place to another place. As I said you that farming is classified into different types. Sorry, it has been classified into different types. Number 1, subsistence farming, intensive farming, commercial farming, mixed farming, plantation farming, dry farming, humid farming, irrigation farming. So these are the different types of farming. So you need to define them. Next, crop season. The portion of area under different crops at a particular period of time, that is known as crop season. Again, crop season we have 3 types: Zaid crop season, Kharif crop season, Rabi crop season. And these are the one mark questions you can expect also. You need to remember for your basic information. Okay, basic knowledge. Most important food crop of India is rice. Larger producer of rice in the country is West Bengal. Largest producer of wheat in the world is China. Largest producer of sugarcane in the world is Brazil. Most important fiber crops of India is cotton and jute. Most important beverage crops of India is coffee and tea. Largest producer of tea in the world is China. Largest producer of rice in India is West Bengal. India, sometimes they will write as country. Both are one and the same. Even some of the students, even they have confusion with that also. That's the reason I have written 2 times. Crops grown during rainy season is rice, jowar, ragi, cotton, groundnuts and tobacco. Largest producer of wheat in India is Uttar Pradesh. As again, crops we have 2 types, that is fiber crops and beverage crops. Next, conditions required for cultivation. If you want to cultivate the crops, okay, so we have different conditions. In your paper, in your textbook, they have given four types. Okay, sugarcane, cotton, tea and tobacco. Here what I have done for you people, I have given one small note for this 4, that is sugarcane, cotton, tea and tobacco. So which type of soils and what temperature, what rainfall is required and what conditions is required, I have given here. Alluvial and loamy soil. Okay. Next, black soil for cotton, fertile soil, loamy soil. Temperature 21 to 26 degree, 21 to 24 degree, 21 to 30 degree, 21 to 27 degree. For 4th one, 21 to 27 degree. And conditions those crops is been cultivated, that is irrigated, means the place where these crops can be cultivated. Okay. that is sugarcane, tobacco. These all things what we have discussed, the first four, that is nothing but irrigated areas, tropical and subtropical crop, tropical and subtropical crop, and tropical crop. Rainfall 100 to 150 centimeter, 50 to 100 centimeter, 150 to 250 centimeter, 50 to 100 centimeter. So these are the different, as we have seen. Can you see here, that is sugarcane, cotton, tea, tobacco? Yes. For these four, these are the four different points you can write. At least you can get 4 points for each. Minimum of 2 marks you can expect from this paragraph. Is this clear? I hope you all have understood this chapter, India and land resources. But one thing you need to remember, the first 7 questions what we have discussed, those are the first 7 questions what we have discussed, 7 or 8 questions what we have discussed. Okay, those are very important questions. First we want to concentrate on those questions, and note this is for the students who want to score more. Then you can study the note below part. If not, you can just study the first 7 to 8 questions what we have given. Is this clear? I hope you all have understood this chapter. If you have liked this video, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe this channel. Wish you all the best of luck. Do well. Bye. See you.